Let's make chanaguni curry in a different way. Freshly ground masala with the coconut paste makes a new feel. Trust me, I've tried this multiple times. The best part of this recipe is the moment you add in the brinjal. It gives a veggie non-veg flavor to the curry. I hate to say that this is completely optional. The portion of the krill doesn't matter, but make sure you wash them properly. I always like to eat with a thick curry, less water as possible. Rice or idli? I think dosa wins the game when it comes to be the perfect pair of this chanaguni kolambu. Enjoy!